that she's just a friend. Nick with the facts, this might be the end. Lie detector beeping, hearts are breaking. Truth unlocked, no faking. Nick throws a tablet, glass in flight. Guy sips juice, trying to play it light. But the sparks ignite and the lights go black. One more lie and there's no way back. Nick versus Clyde.